Everyone wants to know the future, but here's the truth. The future isn't some random roll of the dice, or a magical force we can't control. It's built day by day, with science, technology, and the choices we make right now. Today, I'm dropping 10 predictions that are actually backed by real trends and evidence. This is Flinto File. Let's look ahead. Number 1. The world will become fully digital. Think about it. Our money, our ID, even how we talk to each other is moving online. Paper and plastic? That's old news. In the next 10 years, your digital life is going to be just as real as your physical one. Number 2. AI will be your daily partner. Forget robots taking over. It's about AI working with you, helping you plan, remember, even anticipate what you need. Your AI could soon know you better than anyone else. Number 3. Jobs will transform, not disappear. Automation? Yeah, it'll take over boring, repetitive stuff. But if you're creative, strategic, or good with people, your skills are about to explode in value. The coolest jobs of the future haven't even been invented yet. Number 4. Education gets personal. No more boring, one-size-fits-all classes. AI tutors will adapt to you, your speed, your style, your strengths. Kids in 2035, they'll learn faster than anyone in history. Number 5. Medicine becomes proactive. Imagine doctors preventing disease before you even get sick. Thanks to genetic scans, wearables, and smart diagnostics, healthcare will go from reactive to predictive. This could mean living longer, healthier lives. Number 6. Smart cities take over. Cities will run on sensors, AI traffic, clean energy, and self-driving everything. Living will get faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. Number 7. Climate tech changes how we survive. New tools will clean air, recycle water, and restore oceans. Even pull carbon out of the sky. The climate crisis isn't gone, but our ability to fight it? About to get supercharged. Number 8. Digital identity outshines real identity. Your online profile, your reputation, your digital skills. They might matter more than any degree or paper document. The digital you is the new passport to opportunity. Number 9. Everything gets personalized. Your entertainment, your healthcare, your shopping. Everything will be tailored, automatically, just for you. The future isn't mass-produced, it's custom-built. Last one. Humanity redefines reality. With VR, AR, holograms, and brain-computer tech, the line between digital and physical will start to blur. Where we live, work, and play, that's about to change for good. The point is, the future isn't something you wait for, it's something you help create, one step at a time. If you want more mind-blowing insights like these, hit subscribe and stick around on Flinto File.